G'day, I'm Clive and welcome to PTT Outdoors. What we're looking at today is the Berghause (6515) backpack. Okay, we'll start. This is a wilderness pack, and the 6515 stands for your main pack as you see it now is a 65 litre pack, and the plus 15 means it can expand, and I'll be showing you that as we go along. First of all, whilst we've got it like this, loops here that can be adjusted to tighten and loosen to hold your walking poles or anything you want to put through, coming down to loops at the bottom. At the moment I've got it split into two parts. There is a divider in the main section, so you've got the bottom piece here for your sleeping gear, anything along them lines. So you've got an idea of the size. I've just thrown in a under blanket from DD, which is an average size sleeping bag, I believe. Oh, it is to the ones I've got. And that fits in there nice, and we've still got extra space in front of that to fill this out here. The compression straps, got some nice little locking on them, so the buckles hold nice. Let's go back to the zip. Never let me down, that's it. We've got the weather shield here protecting, or the weather flap, whatever you want to call it, protecting your zip from any dirt and rain. Coming back down to the compression straps, there's enough adjustment on them for you to be able to carry a tent or a bed roll underneath. And it does have your elastic stay there to keep it tidy. Got plenty of attachment points coming up if you want to hang some carabiners or anything off these. Again, your compression straps which hold your lid down with your tidy on it, or your bungee, whatever you want to call it, to keep your straps tidy, stop them flapping around. Some nice buckles, lightweight, again, never let me down. You've got your normal mesh pockets on the side here, one on either side, which I've been able to carry a substantial amount in there. I've had a 1 litre canteen and a fair bit of other stuff in with the canteen as well. Compression straps at the bottom, so if you've got anything that's tore in that pocket, your compression strap will help hold it in place, so you're not going to lose anything out of that pocket. And if you want to put your bottle in sideways, they've got the opening here, so you're not having to struggle when it's on your back to get it out the top. You can just slide it in and slide it out, and have a nice angle there to stop it going anywhere. So before we go any further, first parts of the expansion plus 15 are here on the sides. It's a pocket on either side, and the best part about these pockets are they are big, but they don't invade the inner storage space. They've actually got the extra material here for them to pop out, so you are actually getting the extra 15 litres, bringing your pack up to the 80 litre pack when needed. So some good buckles, compression strap at the top again with the strap tidy on it, same at the bottom. exactly the same here with another side pocket zippered, and compression straps the same as the first side. To be honest, I've never had this fully expanded, even on multiple days carrying the heaviest and the biggest stuff I've got. I've never had to take it all the way yet, so if anybody has, let me know. Top here, we've got our mat pocket, which is a substantial size. It's coming from here up. At the moment I've got another camera in there, another cases in there, spare batteries, microphones, and there's still plenty of room in there for more. Again, some more compression straps, so when you got that fall you just loosen it off, and when you don't need it as high you just pull it down and that'll tidy the top of your pack up. Again, over the zip of this we've got the weather flap on it, or guard, whatever you want to call it, which will protect your zip from water going through or any extra dirt or dust. A good grab handle. We'll come back to this after. So turn it back around, undo the buckles at the top, and here we have the red zip. And to me the red zip would represent is where I'm going to put my first aid kit. And the first aid kit fits in here with plenty of space. I have a basic first aid kit in there, my snake bite kit, and a silver survival bag. Not just the blanket, but the bag, which is double the size. We have your top access, but we also have front access, so if you've got anything lower down in your pack you don't have to go through everything on top to get to it. So we just have to undo the compression straps, finger zip around, and that's it. It gives us access to the inside of the pack. Now this is one of my sleeping bags just in the storage, and it doesn't even fill the whole of this up, and that's a good size there. So as you can see, there's plenty of room to keep all your gear in it. And at the top we've got the first draw cord here, which will pull it in, and a nice cord lock in it to hold it in place. And then the second one, which is another part to your expansion, which is where you get another extra space for your 15 litres, which means you can expand your pack that much higher also. Easy access in and out, good size, hydration bladder pocket at the back. In that goes with ease. Pull the top drawer cord, it's done up. Bring the lid back over and lock it in place. On the top of the lid again, we've got 4 more attachment points, which I've used for connecting my solar panel as I walk, which I hook onto the top 2 and then down onto the bottom here, and that holds my panel on the back and giving me optimum sunlight. Now that's the main part of the pack. Now the harness system, which they call the BioFit, which lifts up and down And what makes this really good is this part. Even when you're walking, you don't have to take your pack off to adjust this. You'll just lift it up and you'll pull your shoulder straps up to where you want it, and if they're too high you'll just pull to where you want it down and they lock in place. And this is how easy that works. Again, lift it up, slides up, and pull the strap down and support it back down to where we need. The waist belt is really well padded, and it's pre-formed to sit around your hips and your waist, really comfortable. A nice lumbar support here which sits nice in the back, and it's nice and thick, so it's really comfortable. And between this here and here, this is just all open, allowing all your airflow to go through. And with the mesh on it, it helps prevent some perspiration, but not all of it. You are still going to get a bit of a sweaty back. Some nice straps on it, nice and sturdy, strong, with your tidy at this end here, so you've not got your strap flapping around everywhere. Going to a decent set of lightweight buckles. Again, never had any trouble with these. Easy to do up and undo, even wearing gloves. And on both sides of the hip belt you have a decent sized pocket, and it's not one where you'll throw a bar in there and it's full. There's a substantial amount in that. They've actually formed it the same shape as the waist belt, giving you plenty of space in there to use. And now coming up to your shoulder blade area, some nice padding here, making it really comfortable, again with airflow to prevent the perspiration on your back. Shoulder straps, really nice, really comfortable, and they're pre-shaped, so it's more comfortable whilst you're wearing it. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4 points you can adjust the sternum strap, which goes through another small lightweight buckle, easy to open and close. And we have our elastic at the back here to allow for the expansion, so this is all going to be nice and comfortable, fit really good, and it's not going to fall off your shoulders whilst wearing it. And we have a choice here of your load lifters. We have a lower one for the smaller people when it's down, and a higher one here for the taller people when it's up. Or you might even just be a person who's tall and want to use that, or a short person who wants to use that just to get a really comfortable fit and get all the weight off your shoulders to stop any hot spots or getting any sores up there. And again, good quality straps and buckles on there for adjusting. Last of all, showed you the hydration pocket inside. That comes out the side here, and it's only one, and that's this one here as you're wearing it on the right hand side. So there you go, the Berghause Wilderness 6515 backpack, weighing in at just under 1.9 kilos empty. Really comfortable pack. And like I said, I've never had to fill it all the way yet, but when I have had it fully loaded for what I need, and that's without the top being expanded or the pockets being full, it's carried the weight really well, and it's concentrated it really comfortable around the hips here. And like I said, as walking, all the adjustments are just here to pull. Shoulder straps nice and comfortable. Chest strap could have adjusted anywhere I want. Fits perfect there on me, which is where I put it. Easy access to the side pockets. Like I said, a good size. I've got my whole fist in there. And here's the access into the mesh pocket, so you can slide your drinks bottle in there to get it in and out without having to struggle to go down the top. So I hope you've enjoyed the video, and if you're not already a subscriber, please go down and click on the subscribe button and the notification bell next to it, so you can be notified of all future videos. If you are a subscriber already, again, I thank you very much. So until next time, get out there, have some fun, and take care.